Achieve a tight and aesthetic inside corner using Everlast 2-piece perimeter trim or Everlast pocketed trim by following this procedure. Using pressure-treated wood or PVC molding, prepare a 1-inch by 1-inch furring and fasten it tightly to the structure every 12 inches along the entire height of the corner. Position trim receivers tightly against the furring. Using the nailing slots, tightly fasten the trim receivers every 12 inches into the structure. Install Everlast lap siding accordingly, leaving the required 1/4 inch gap between plank ends and the inside edge of the receiver to accommodate thermal expansion. Snap trim covers firmly into the receiver. Also use furring for inside corners when using Everlast pocketed trim. To prevent gapping, you can also add fasteners through the inside of the trim pocket into the furring strip.